your heart. Keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I am rocking a burgundy rooted hairstyle. This hair is brought to you by Unice Hair Company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit and style this unit and install this unit. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Bye.
Lacey, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received some super cool goodies, which was some wig caps, eyelashes, some clips, a head wrap, and a wig bag. And also a cool elastic band. This unit is a Skunk Stripe Hair Sparkle 99J colored root. She is 24 inches. She is a straight lace frontal unit at 13 by 4. She is a medium cap size with adjustable straps and combs. So I did attempt to bleach this unit, even though the roots were burgundy. I tried it and it did not lift whatsoever, so you can definitely skip this step or use a color remover instead to lift the knots. But yeah, skip this step overall. This is the next day, and here I'm using my Dark and Lovely blowout spray to help protect this hair from heat damage. This is actually a really good spray. I've been using it about 3 times now, and the hair just comes out amazing. So shout out to Dark and Lovely. Here I'm just blow drying this unit as straight as possible, and then I go in to pluck this unit. So as you can see, you can still see those knots, but they're not bad. And I'm going to create a little bit of long curtain bangs into this unit, so you won't be able to see these knots. But yeah, for colored units, definitely invest in a color remover, and I think you will have a really better outcome versus, you know, how I did it. So yeah, I just went in and plucked this unit as much as I could. I did spend quite a long time plucking this unit just because the hairline was thick, so definitely keep that in mind as well. Now it's time to cut some layers into this unit. So first I'm going to start with the bangs. So I then part the hair in the middle part, because that's how I can tell like how the hair is going to fall. And then I create a triangle so I could cut the bangs short. Bring those two together, and here I cut at the end of the dome cap. So this is going to be a very long bang, and then that's just going to be my guide. So I then put it back into a middle part and then get one side, comb it over, and then here I cut the shortest, or I stop at the shortest piece and then cut the rest off. This is going to create those nice layered bangs, curtain bangs. I have a full tutorial on how I did that, but I'm just doing the same method as I did with the other units. And then once you finish with the bangs, I then work on each side to match up the bangs to the rest of the hair. This will create that nice wolf cut type of look going on. So now I am working on the other side, matching up the shortest piece of the hair by parting it downward and this can create a nice layered look. So once you put curls into this unit, it's gonna look bomb, 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 girl. Trust the process, okay? So a lot of people ask how I have my curls lasting all day. This is the trick, is putting hairspray on before curling it and then pin curling it and then spraying afterward, if that makes sense. So spray before and after you curl your hair. This can create that longevity of your unit. And don't use a harsh hairspray either, or else it'll become very dry and crunchy. So I'm using Vita E, but I recommend, using any like level 1 or 2 hairspray instead of the very strongest hairspray possible. Use a very light, flowy hairspray. I don't know how to explain it. So now it's time to install this unit. I am just gonna do a regular not ball cap method, but just a regular cap method. I am not using glue today, so it's gonna be a very easy install. I'm gonna play some music while you vibe out while I install this unit.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
So you guys, I hope you enjoyed that song as much as I did. It really got me in my feels, I'm not even gonna lie. But here, as you can see, I'm taking my wide tooth comb and combing forward. This will help your curls look more voluminous and have a lot more body in your hair instead of having like flat curled curls, if that makes sense. And yeah, that's basically it. Just play around with your hair and see how you like it. This style is super different for me. I don't know how I feel about it. You guys loved it on Instagram. I am absolutely loving the quality and luster of the unit. Thank you so much, Unice Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous unit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't take it personal.